Most people think a brand new Toyota shouldn't have AC problems. Well, this 2025 Toyota Levin proves otherwise. Today, we're diagnosing a complete refrigerant loss on a low-mileage vehicle, and the result may surprise you. Stay with me until the end to see the exact failure point and learn how to avoid the same problem on your own car. This video is about replacing the AC compressor on a 2025 Toyota Levin with very low mileage. Now, you may be wondering, why does a nearly new vehicle need a compressor replacement? When the car came into our workshop, we first recovered the refrigerant and found that the AC system was completely empty. After performing a detailed inspection, we discovered that the compressor pulley area was covered with oil residue, indicating a refrigerant leak. One of the biggest weaknesses of this vehicle is the compressor shaft seal located behind the pulley. This seal tends to wear out prematurely, allowing refrigerant to leak from the internal AC circuit to the outside. The second common weakness of the Toyota Levin's air conditioning system is the condenser. We've seen leaks develop in the condenser channels, causing the refrigerant to escape. In these cases, the only solutions are either repairing or replacing the condenser. In a previous video, I showed the complete process of flushing the AC system, and I'll put the link above so you can check it out. Since this vehicle is almost brand new, there is no need to flush the system. However, on higher mileage vehicles, I strongly recommend flushing the entire air conditioning circuit to ensure proper performance and reliability. The Toyota Levin is generally a reliable vehicle, but some owners and technicians have reported a few recurring issues with the air conditioning system. Compressor. One of the most common problems is premature wear of the compressor shaft seal located behind the pulley. When the seal fails, refrigerant and compressor oil can leak out, causing the AC system to lose cooling performance. Condenser leakage. The condenser can develop leaks in its internal channels or at connection points. Even a small leak can gradually release refrigerant, resulting in weak or no cooling. Low refrigerant charge. Due to leaks from the compressor seal or condenser, the system may become low on refrigerant. This can cause poor cooling efficiency and increased compressor workload. Compressor damage from refrigerant loss. Operating the AC system with insufficient refrigerant can reduce lubrication inside the compressor. Over time, this may lead to excessive wear or complete compressor failure. Contamination of the AC system. If a compressor fails internally, metal particles and debris can circulate through the AC circuit. In such cases, flushing the system and replacing affected components may be necessary. Despite a few known weaknesses, the Toyota Levin's air conditioning system offers several advantages that contribute to comfort and reliability. Fast cooling performance. The system is capable of cooling the cabin quickly, even in hot weather conditions. Air distribution is generally efficient, helping passengers feel comfortable within a short period of time. Energy efficient operation. The AIC system is designed to operate efficiently, reducing the load on the engine and helping maintain fuel economy. Good climate control. Depending on the trim level, the Levin offers automatic climate control that can maintain a consistent cabin temperature with minimal driver input. Quiet operation. The compressor and blower system typically operate with low noise levels, improving overall driving comfort. High-quality cabin air filtration. The HVAC system effectively filters dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, improving air quality inside the vehicle. Reliable electronic controls. Toyota's climate control electronics are generally dependable and provide accurate temperature management. Compatibility with modern refrigerants. The system is designed to work with environmentally friendly refrigerants while maintaining strong cooling performance. Easy serviceability. Most major AC components, including the compressor, condenser, and expansion valve, are accessible for diagnosis and repair by qualified technicians. Overall assessment. The Toyota Levin A air conditioning system delivers strong cooling performance, good efficiency, and comfortable cabin climate control. While technicians occasionally encounter issues with compressor shaft seals and condenser leaks, the system performs very well when properly maintained and serviced. Thanks for staying with me until this point in the video. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you liked it, send some support with a heart. See you in the next video. Stay safe and take care.